The classic chicken Parmigiana has just gone keto. Coated with a cheesy almond crumb and served with cauliflower mash, it's the ultimate low-carb comfort meal.
He's got budget meals for families, delicious new recipes. Bring your friends over, let's make it and share. It's Nicko's kitchen where satisfying meals are prepared.
So to start, we're going to prep our breading mixture. Firstly, place the almond meal onto a wide plate and add in some chopped fresh parsley along with grated Parmesan cheese. Mix it in well until everything is combined well. I've got a chicken breast that I've cut in half and I've removed the tenderloin and then flattened the breast. I also have a beaten egg on a plate and I'm going to dip and coat the chicken in. Once thoroughly coated, I transfer that onto the crumb mixture and coat all sides. Press down firmly and then I place the chicken on a baking tray ready for frying. For the cauliflower mash, really simple. Into a saucepan, add some butter, the cauliflower, and then pour over heavy cream. Season with salt and white pepper and cook with the lid on over a medium heat for about 7 to 9 minutes or until the cauliflower is tender. Once the cauliflower is cooked, break it down and puree it with a stick blender, making sure to get it as smooth as you can. Place it back into the pot to keep warm until we need it to serve. Into a pan, add butter and olive oil together, and over a medium heat, place in the crumbed chicken. You're just after a nice crust on both sides. The rest of the cooking will be done in the oven. Each side should only take about 2 to 3 minutes. Place back onto the tray with fresh baking paper and dollop over some tomato puree. Lay 2 slices of ham on the top and then add grated cheddar cheese. Place into the oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit for 4 to 6 minutes or until the top is golden and the cheese is bubbling. Serve with the cauliflower mash, fresh parsley over the top, black pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. And when you slice into it, you'll see how juicy and tender it is, rich in flavour that will make you forget that you're actually missing all the carbs.